Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. If you're like me and you've got a tree full of grapefruit, I'm going to show you how to make this into this. Stay tuned. I do appreciate y'all checking in. This makes an awesome drink for the summertime, sitting out on the patio, talking to your friends. Once again, we can all do that eventually. Thanks for checking in. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below and subscribe to At Home up in that right-hand corner. See y'all soon.